Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Nifty 500 stocks to your TradingView watchlist. If you're new to TradingView or just setting up your workspace, the watchlist is your command center for keeping an eye on the markets. It's an essential tool for managing your trades, keeping track of key stocks, and making quick decisions. You'll find the watchlist on the right side of the screen in the watchlist panel. Go ahead and open your watchlist on the right pane so it's visible while you work. Having it open at all times will make it easier to monitor key market movements without constantly searching. This panel lets you quickly view prices, percentage changes, and easily jump between charts without having to search every time. It's perfect for quickly assessing how stocks are performing so you can stay up to date with minimal effort. With the watchlist open, look to the top of that pane for the plus icon. This is your Add Symbol button. Clicking this icon allows you to quickly add any stocks, indices, or assets to your watchlist. When you click the plus icon, a search box will appear. In that search field, type Nifty 500, and you'll see results that may include the Nifty 500 index and potentially related symbols. Depending on your data provider or region, it might show up as Nifty 500C, NX 500, or a similar naming convention, often tagged with your exchange like NNSE or something similar. Be mindful of how it's listed, as it can vary based on the data source or your region, but you should look for the one that clearly represents the Nifty 500 index. This is an important step, especially if you're managing stocks in the Indian market, as the Nifty 500 gives you a broader view of the top 500 stocks listed on the National Stock Exchange. Once you see it in the results, click the small plus sign next to the listing to add it to your watch list. That's the core process. You've just added the Nifty 500 index to your list, allowing you to monitor it at a glance alongside the other stocks in your portfolio. This step takes just a few clicks and helps you get organized quickly. If you also want to keep track of individual companies from the Nifty 500, follow the exact same flow. Click the plus icon at the top, type the stock's name or ticker, and be sure to confirm you're selecting the listing from the correct exchange. For example, if you're looking for Reliance Industries, make sure you select it from the Nifty 500 index or the specific exchange where it is listed. After confirming, hit the plus sign next to the stock listing to add it to your watch list. You can repeat this as many times as you like to build a list that matches your trading or investing plan, whether you're focusing on a specific industry, trend, or just following your top picks. A quick tip on searching. If you're not getting the result you expect, try the company's formal name or the precise ticker symbol. If you're unsure about a company's ticker, use its full name to improve search accuracy. Also, watch for lookalike entries like futures, CFDs, or indices with similar names. The exchange label is super important. It helps confirm you've got the right one. For example, make sure that you're not accidentally adding a futures contract instead of the actual stock. Once symbols are in your watch list, you can click them to load their charts instantly. This feature is super handy because it allows you to quickly analyze any stock with just a click. You can also reorder the stocks in your watch list by dragging them around to prioritize the most important ones. If you no longer need a stock in your watch list, you can easily remove it. Keeping your list focused helps you scan faster and make decisions with more clarity, especially when you're monitoring a large number of stocks or indices. The goal is to keep your watch list streamlined so you can focus on what matters most. And that's all there is to it. Open your watch list on the right pane, click the plus icon, search for the Nifty 500 index or any specific stocks you want, and add them with a single click. Simple, fast, and organized, so you can spend more time analyzing market movements and less time searching for symbols. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your TradingView workspace tidy and efficient, allowing you to monitor the markets and react quickly to changes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical TradingView tips. Happy trading!